Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at adding and subtracting its decimals. Now I'm going to link it into something that you'll be using all the time, and that is shopping. So for example, if you are going shopping and you buy something for $4.76 and you buy something else for $23.28. The first thing I would like you to think about is how I've lined all of the place values up. So I've lined up all of my hundreds. I've also lined up all of my tenths. I've lined up my decimal point and my ones and tens column. So it's making sure that everything is lined up. Once we've lined it up, we are then able to solve, just like we would normally do with a normal addition equation. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 4 goes down and we carry the 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we've got 10 tens, that turns into 100, so 0 tens and 1 in the hundreds column. We put a decimal point down, and then we've got 1 plus 4 equals 5, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And we've only got 2 here. Now, just so you know, it doesn't matter if we don't have a number here, we still need to make sure that we are lining up our place values. Just like if I am doing I've bought something on lay-by and it cost me $72.47. I have paid off so far $43.50. Remember, 50 is the same as 0.5. First thing, I've lined it up. I've lined all of my columns up, focusing on the decimal spot. Now I can solve it. I've got 7 and I'm taking away nothing. Well, that's just 7. If I move on to the tenths column, I've got 4 and I'm taking away 5. I can't do it, so I have to borrow. I cross out the 2, put a 1 up there, and then I put a 1 next to the 4. Now I've got 14 tenths. 14 tenths and I'm taking away 5, it equals 9. 1 take away 3, I can't do it. Actually, before I do that, make sure you put the decimal point down. So 1 take away 3, I can't do it, which means I need to go to my next column, which is my tens, and borrow and take it to my ones. So now I've got 11 ones and I can take away 3. 11 take away 3 equals 8. And then 6 take away 4 equals 2. So that means that I owe $28.97 still. So the main thing I would like you to take out of this, it's just like normal addition and subtraction. The only thing is that you need to make sure where your decimal is, make sure you put the decimal place down in the same position, and also line up your hundreds, line up your tenths, your decimal, your ones, your tens. All place values must be lined up to make it easier for you. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.